Welcome to my projectbazaar.com. Let us see our demo for personalized recommendation combining user, interest and social circle. In abstract, the new factor of social network like interpersonal influence and interest based on circle of friends being opportunities and challenge for recommending system to solve the cloud start and sparsity problem of dataset, to propose a keyword service recommendation method to solve the existing system challenges. It aims at presenting a personalized service recommendation list and recommending the most appropriate service to the user effectively. The keywords are used to indicate user preference, and user-based collaborative filtering method is used to generate the appropriate recommendation using the location of user information to recommend to personalized. Using keyword aware method improve the accuracy service recommender system. Finally, recommendation list will produce based upon the user location. That means user location is a community. When user is selecting their own location to produce their own recommendation list. In data flow diagram, the level 0. In level 0, the social network, that means user will be connected in the social network and will be shared the social data structure, and finally the user will search the component, means it will searching the keyword, and finally the searching result will be produced based upon the user location query. In data flow level 1, the search component, that means collection of document is data set, and finally the user will set the preference, that means 1 2 3 4 or 5, and finally the personalized ranking of search result will be produced, and user will select the own area, that means own community, to finally produce their own recommendation list for the particular data set. Let us see the demo for this project. First of all, we have to run title.java. In this frame is our home page. After that, we have to click process button. If a user is new user, means click new user, otherwise existing user. After login successful, we have to load the MovieLens dataset. In our project, we have to use MovieLens dataset. First of all, we have to load user information. U.user is a user information file. We have to loaded successfully. After that, you have to next the user information stored successfully. Then you have to click browse button. After that, you have to u.item is a movie information, that means load. Item information loaded successfully. It will all movies are stored successfully. After that, we have to load rating information. u.info is a rating information. After that, click load the rating information loaded successfully. This first one is user ID, second one is movie ID, and third one is rating, and after that it is a corresponding timestamp. Click next. In our project, we have to use dataset. After loading dataset, pre-processing step is necessary for data mining purpose. In pre-processing step, we have to remove unwanted data and click successful. After that, we have to all data are pre-processing successful. After that, you click Next, in this frame, load movie information first of all. After that, you have to categorize the information. Means in movie lens data set, so many categories are there. That means action, crime, or all movies categories. Movies category. After that, we have to get in this. These are all categories. I will click action, that process completed successfully. After that, view relevant result. View the 252 movies or names are there, and after that the corresponding user ratings are getted. The corresponding this is user ID, this is movie ID, this is rating. The 252 movies and corresponding user and movie ratings are there. You can click next. Means user will submit our own interest. That means it is a multi keyword search. That means you have to click 5 rating, means submit a section. After that, click submitted, means you can display. These are only 5 users only predicted. The third one is rating item. After that, you have to view the rating providing user. View, it will take some time. That means it will use more heap size, so the result will be shown somewhat little bit late. User information will be there. It will be user informations. All country user we have to predict it. After that, we have to only predict. That means in this place, the user will give rating, means in social circle. That means you want to separate your circle. That means if Indian user rating is different somewhat in American or other countries user, so you have to interest. That means you have to separate your user countries. That means view only Indian users are there. After that, you can to predict Indian user. Finally, we have to recommended list are there produced. This is all user 5 rating give Indian users. Thank you.